What's up, guys? Good to have you. Good to have you again. It's a new week. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching from? This is a trading assembly. We've been moving the markets every night because why not? Tell me, how did you spend your day? How are you spending your day? Did you look at your charts today? Oh my god, guys, gold is really moving. It is really flying to the moon. So let's see if we can get any moves. I am trading binary options, of course, and we are on gold OTC chart. So let's see if we can get our first entry for tonight. Guys, first entry in, you can see the market has been flying to the moon. So let's see how our buys close. I hope he made it to your presence. For me, he was a blessing. At least I know he's resting, and he ain't out here stressing, trying to keep. Okay, let's see if we can get another entry. Tell me, guys, how you spend your day. Oh my god, you're already there, marking your attendance. Abim, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Caesar, what's up? Bashar, Talia, good to see ya. Tibur, good to see ya. Nice meeting you, Talia. Cameroon, what's up? Derivation, what's up? Guys, let us look for another entry. Yeah, the market is really in a pullback, but the way structure is forming. Let's see if bears are going to really shift the market. Benediction. That day was idealistic. Okay, I didn't know. Guys, tell me, did you look at your chart? How was your trading day? Did you execute any entries? Did you do anything to move the markets? Because I mean, if you're locked in, then you have to be moving the markets, you have to be executing, you have to be looking at your charts. You know how we do it. And you're free to ask me any trading question. I gave that shit to Cali. Thankful for my supporters, everyone that ever bought us. Grateful for every lesson these Miami streets taught us. Make that music. Okay, let's get another move. Testimony. You only want to understand my strategy. Just stick around. In a few, we are gonna get into the details. Tell me, guys, how did you spend your day today? I honestly had a very, very, very extremely good day. And when I say extremely good day, that means I had some big girl shopping going on in my life. Yeah, I'm really, really happy and excited to use everything that I bought for myself. Am I out of my head? And here we are moving the market. If you only knew the bad things I like, don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. Someone is asking, is it a Ferrari? Guys, it is a big girl purchase. I mean, I'm so excited to start using it. I mean, such purchases are the reason why we remain consistent in the market, because you want to keep achieving more and more. Traders, you're free to ask me any trading question, because why not? This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn and also share.
Scars on my body so I can take you wherever, like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never get.
Even you are excited. I mean, you're always here to share, guys. But tell me, guys, did you look at your chat today? I mean, on such a day, it's when you set motion for the market. It's when you set motion for the week.
Hey, can't explain it. I love the pain, and I love the way that your breath melts me like Novocaine, and we are always high.
Keep it strange, okay, yeah, I'm insane, but you the same.
Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen, hey, nothing but your heels on. Losing all religion, you're my pretty little fiction, and I'm that voice inside your head that keeps telling you to listen to all the bad things I say and you said. I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body so I can take you wherever, like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never get.
Yeah, you now started looking through the charts. That's nice. That's nice. That's how you build momentum. That's how you keep building momentum. So keep it up. Keep it up. You're making my way. That's how it should be. It's complicated. The way we laugh is so unique, and when we touch, I'm shivering, and no one has to get it. Just you and me. Right. We're just living between the sheets. Basha, good to see ya. Siobhan Things, what's up? What's up? Forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I could look at you and never get. Am I out of my head? Am I out of my mind? If you wanna get about things that I don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do things to you so good. You can't explain what can I say? It's complicated. Havana, no, no. Half of my heart is in Havana, no, no. He took me back to East Atlanta, no, no. All of my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners. Havana, no. He didn't walk up with that, how you doing? When he came in, he said there's a lot of girls I can do it, but I can't without doing forever in a minute. That's on my night. Let us keep buying the market, because why not? He got me feeling ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. Got me feeling like ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh, na, Havana, ooh, na, na. Half of my heart is in Havana, ooh, na, na. He took me back to East Atlanta. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question.
Just graduated fresh on campus. Fresh out East Atlanta with no map.
Anthony, good to see ya. Jerome, what's up? What's up? Tell me, guys, did you look at your chats? I want to see someone who looked at their chats. Cameron, you are following your trading plan. Today you didn't mark your attendance about your trading plan. Hey. Guys, I'm in a very good mood. I mean, it's a fresh week. So let us move the markets. Guys, in a few, I'm gonna get into the details of my strategy. In a few, I'm gonna get into the details of my strategy. So let us wait and see. How was your weekend? My weekend been good. It was so good. Will you marry me? No. I'm only getting married to someone who is first putting 200k in my account. Then there we can start the marriage talks. What's the alright guys, I use the indicators with the default settings. Yeah, and my entries are not only based on the indicator, they are also backed up with my pure price action strategy. Alright, XPFX says you're working on a strategy and some days it is really profitable and other days it is non-profitable. I mean, okay, to be honest, your strategy should not be 100% profitable, then the next day you're not making profits and you're following everything. That means there is something lacking in that strategy because you're not supposed to be making 100% losses and 100% profit. Or maybe you could be having a problem when it comes to, sometimes when we are really making profits, and especially if you're really making crazy profits that you were not expecting, you can get that overconfidence that the next day you fail to, because of that too much confidence, or maybe I would say excitement, and you fail to get the same results as you got the previous days. So it could also be that when your strategy is still okay, but it is due to work on your psychology, because trading psychology is not all about also fearing the market and taking losses. There's also excitement can also be bad when it comes to trading, because when you're too confident, you may stop thinking with your trading analysis and you start thinking in your mind that you are too good and the market has to respect every entry that you make. So it all depends on how you see things. It's hard to look right at your baby. So here's my number. Don't call me maybe. Hey, I just met you. And this is crazy. But here's my number. Don't call me maybe. All the other boys try to chase me. But here's my number. Teacher Lee, good to see ya. Dream, good to see ya. Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly where I be sharing trading tips. I saw someone asking, where can I learn pure price action? On this channel, I have videos about pure price action strategy. You can check them out. And even right now, I am trading with that strategy. So you just log in and you make sure you don't miss anything that I'm sharing.
All that books for the birds. You ain't nothing but a vulture. Always hoping for the worst. Waiting for me to. You regret the day when I find another girl, yeah. You know just what I need, you know just what I need. When I tell her keep it drama free. Whoa, 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 I know you're mad for the word. I wish you best of luck. Now I'm finna throw them juices up. I'm on some new, I'm chucking my juices up to her. I'm moving on to something better. No more trying to make it work. Make me wanna say bye-bye to her. Make me wanna say bye-bye, say bye-bye to her. Used to be Valentine's together all the time. Thought it was true love, but you know women lie. It's like I sent my love with a text 2 times.
Let's move. Someone comment locked in. Guys, I need you locked in so that when I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch on. And you're free to ask any trading question.
I ain't gonna be the one that she can always run to. I hate liars. Love, I'm tired of trying. My heart big, but it be quiet. I don't never feel like we vibing.
Yeah, I can see guys you're locked in, and guys, whatever we learn and share here, you're supposed to, okay, you ought to go and practice on your chart. That's how your trading skill is going to develop. Yeah, taking it step by step, but you make sure you are consistently looking at the charts, practicing whatever you're learning, because if you don't really practice it, it's not going to stick in your mind. They call me 11. What's up? Gloria is asking how long did you take to learn? Oh my god. Guys, one thing, when you're actively participating in something, for example, you're participating in trading, learning never stops. But if you're really asking, when did I start being consistently profitable? It took me 2 years. And like I told you guys, it took me that long because of being inconsistent. That's why I'm always asking you to try so much and be consistent, because when I really improved, when I showed up every day, regardless of if I took losses or not, I had to show up every day. It really changed my trading, because most of the times, actually, guys, the losses we make from the market, it's not because we don't know what we are doing. It is because of our psychology, and our psychology comes from being poor psychology sometimes comes from being inconsistent. If you're consistently, oh my god, why was my entry taken out? So guys, the more you're consistent in the market, the shorter your journey it's going to be. That's a fact. Yeah, so the more you lock in, and you lock in seriously, not just mere locking in, serious locking in, the shorter your learning journey is going to be.
I don't get it. It seems like every
Yeah, and I actually, the other thing that really made me focus so much, guys, I looked at the losses that I had taken from all my previous years, or like all my entries I was making, my losses had compounded and they were so high, and I didn't want to give up, so I knew I had to do something for myself if I want it to work out for me. Yeah, because sometimes you really sit and you really calculate your losses and you're like, damn, what's going on? Actually, you start thinking you're crazy. Yeah, sometimes you can think you're crazy when you really calculate the losses. But losses are part of this game, so when you get tired of everything, that's when you're going to lock in and you want it to work out for you. And when you lock in, guys, I believe you're going to attain a certain level of earning, of trading. Let me hope you get what I'm saying. Rod, good to see ya. Good to see ya, Rod. Martin, good to see ya. Stopping for green lights, and I know I want to be more than friends. How come every time I lift the chance, I lose my cool and my flow, and I get all tongue-tied. Lily, good to see ya. Rod, what did you blow out? Right, let us increase our risk and move the markets. Next time I won't stop. I listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you. I should have told you how I feel. I should have kissed you. I tried recording and I was doing good. Then what happened? Because normally, guys, whenever you take losses, you're supposed to assess your trading, what could have been that, so that the next time you're really in the market, you can easily not make the same mistake again. And now the losses I'm talking about are not the one and off losses, because losses are part of our game. I mean the time when you have blown your real capital, your account, or you have taken huge losses from the market. That's when you're supposed to assess yourself and know. Next time I won't stop. I listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I just kissed you. I just showed you how I feel. I just kissed you. I should have showed you this how I feel. Girl, I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. And this time I won't stop. I listen to your heart, 'cause what I'm feeling is real.
All the girls that's INTEPENDNT. This for all the girls that be living stress free. This for all the girls on a mission like me.
2 steps ahead like C. Fitters and Fenty, I'm bad like Ree. I'm B, I'm she, I don't need no he. Black girl friends gonna hug my cheeks. What I look like being pressed. Can't rock these pants like a freaking dress. 100K, I don't see no less. Got my name engraved on American Express. This is for the girls independent like me. Got my feelings in my pockets, I don't wear it on my sleeves. Trips to Toronto, trips to Berlin. My whole wardrobe paid off by me.
Did it on my own before I was famous. Schedule busy, I don't plan on changing.
In the mirror like I look amazing. Lola Brooks still ain't been nothing to play with.
Get that money, sis. Keep them on their teeth. They be trying to press you, but you ain't pressed on you. I'm waiting to find a real time. I'm now shy, having my own.
booking my own trips. Don't ever let them disrespect
Oh
you
my
because
god.
of today.
2 entries
You
locked
have
in
these
a
boys
plus.
upset, they can't stop mentioning your
That's how I
name.
love
I'm
it.
bad,
That's how I
I'm
love it. Let
godless,
us look
I'm
for another
very
move.
important. How you calling me? It's like you know I'm 7 courses. This is for the girls getting money. This is for the girls that don't need no man. This is for the girls that love themselves. This is for all the girls that done did it by themselves. This is for all the girls that's INGEPENDNT. This is for all the girls that be living stress free. This is for all the girls on a mission like me. This for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. This is for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is for the girls on the grind. This is for the girls that'll work full time. This is for the self-made girls. You're the self-paid girls, but never let them change your mind. Girls who fly, girls who thrive, living out dreams when you just can't buy.
Let's see if we can get a move.
Look in the mirror, repeat after me. I am humongous. I am resourceful. I am much better than ever could be. I am the substance of everything hopeful. I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am so beautiful. I am responsible. I am enough. My soul is complete. More than just suitable.
That sounds crazy.
Worthy of love that is wholly complete. And that's on me. For the girls getting money.
It's for the girls that need no man.
This is for the girls who love
That is like the market is consolidating. So let's see if we are gonna get any movement from sellers. Okay.
This for all the girls around the world. This is for the girls. This for all the girls around the world. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is for my girls. This is for my girls.
The guy, good to see ya. Bell now, what's up? What's up? What's up, guys? Okay, someone is asking how you do it. Explain in a clear voice. Let me hope I'm clear now. Can you get me? Yeah, I feel like my voice is now sharp. Anyways, I am trading binary options. That's the first thing you have to understand as a trader, the market you're dealing with. Then when it comes to trading, you have to have a trading strategy. There are very many strategies out there. I don't disagree with them. I just trade price action as my strategy. And when it comes to price action, it involves first understanding the market condition. You have to understand, are you dealing with an uptrend? Are you dealing with a downtrend? Are you dealing with a sideways market? That way it is going to be easier for you to execute the buys and sells if you have that knowledge. We all know in an uptrend, the market is moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. And we all know in a downtrend, the market is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows. So the other thing you look out for is understanding the market structure. Market structure is the confluence that is going to show you the turning points of the market. It's that simple. It's going to show you the highs and the lows. But when it comes to market structure, like I always tell you guys, damn. Honestly, there is nothing like that. Is so annoying when a trade is taken out by a low momentum candle. Let us look for another entry. Let's first look for another move. I don't wanna. Let's add buys and see how it goes. Yeah, like I was telling you guys, when it comes to market structure, you're supposed to understand the strong highs and the strong lows. Yeah, not every high you see in the market it is strong enough that it made a difference in the market. You're supposed to look at those turning points that really made a difference in the market, because that's where most likely the market is going to head. Yeah, like it's going to be moving to. And when you are on your execution time frame, it is always best to also look at the most recent market structure. That is the most recent high and low, because they are going to guide you. Then the other thing I look out for is candlestick patterns. We all know candlestick patterns are going to show you where the reversal is going to happen, where a continuation is starting. Like and with candlestick patterns, you're supposed to see them in key areas. So my darling, let me hope you've got that.
Seeing how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. 6 got tall, but I ain't trying to get preachy. No. Seeing how you did, homeboy, please take it easy on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, I don't wanna play no games.
Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. And you know how we do it every night. We'll be moving the market and we are locked in for life as long as the markets are here. So the goal is to show up every day. Because if you're not trading, what are you doing, honestly?
You used to call me on my. You used to. Yeah. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need me. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city, you.
Honestly, guys, it's so interesting when someone asks for the secret sauce. My secret sauce is being consistent. Guys, don't doubt the power of being consistent, because the more you're looking at these charts, of course, you're learning something. You're looking at the candle structure forming. You're looking at the candle closure. And the more you look at the market, you're going to start understanding those things, how candles close on certain levels, how candles close when they are reacting to a high, how the market structure shifts when it is reacting to maybe a high or a low. It all depends on how consistent you are, because the more you're consistently looking at those things, the easier it's going to be for you to spot it in the long run. Yeah, at first it is hard to read the charts, but the more you're consistent, guys, it gets better. Yeah, what was taking you about 2 hours, it reaches a point when it can only take you 15 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on how much time you have put into to learn that.
You got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport.
How is it possible to do analysis? It is possible when you've really done this over and over again. Repetition produces mastery. Of course, at first it's hard, but the more you're doing it consistently, you're gonna become a master at it. Like there's a certain mastery you're going to have that no one can take away from you. That's what I can tell you. And guys, like I said, with price action, it can be applicable on all time frames. That is why it is easier for me to trade with that strategy, because what you look for on 1 hour time frame, you can also look for it on 15, 5, 3, 1 minute, depending, as long as you get the concept.
Why you never alone? Why you always touching roll? Used to always stay at home, be a good girl, you was in the zone. Yeah, you should just be yourself. Right now you're someone else. You used to call me on the cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, can only mean one thing.
Ever since I left the city, you.
That can only mean one thing. Ever since I left the city.
How long have you been in the game? This is my 4th year. But I'm locked in for life. That's it. If it's not trading, then I don't know what I'll be doing. So as long as the markets are here, we are locked in for life. So you can join us and you'll be locked in for life. I mean, why not? Guys, when it comes to really understanding pure price action, because pure price action is basically looking at the current price movements, then you base on that to make your entry decisions. It doesn't matter if you're on 1 minute time frame, because even on 1 minute time frame, the market is still trading and it is moving. It is still forming market structure, and also candlestick patterns are also printed on the same chart. All you have to do is to give the chart some time, learn it, look for those things that you're supposed to look for, the confluences, then you start to execute. That's what I feel. It is all about being on the chart and you look for those confluences, the concepts that make up pure price action. That's why being consistent. And then when it comes to being consistent, you're not just consistent with a strategy, you're also consistent with the time frames that you're using, your chart setup. Yeah, because the more you're consistently using the same thing, repetition equals mastery.
I keep pushing forward, but it keeps pulling me backwards.
I'm
Now I'm turning back from it. I finally see the pattern. He doesn't love me, so I tell myself.
Thank you to music. It's Keltina channel and I'm using it with its default settings.
Don't pick up the phone, you know he's only calling because he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out again. Free. Don't be a friend. You know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning and you're understand you ain't getting over him. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I count 'em. I got no rules, I got no rules, I count 'em. I got practice makes perfect. I'm still trying to learn it, but
My Africa is, I'm not getting what you're trying to mean. Please, you can rephrase the question. And this is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. We are always here to learn. We are always here to learn. Guys, when I'm setting trading goals, I do not set daily trading goals. I do set from weekly to monthly. Yeah, that way it helps me not to put a lot of pressure on myself. This is entirely from my own experience. The times I would set daily trading goals, sometimes you find yourself under pressure to hit the goal, and it can get crazy sometimes in the process of trying to hit your daily targets. So personally, I would prefer at least starting from weekly or monthly.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home?
I warm up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hop out and it's up to you. Don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour
Gabriel,
it
you're
in.
welcome. You're
And the same,
welcome.
I'm down to do.
Papito, what's up? Good to
Just
see
wanna
ya.
take some time to thank you.
And let you know that you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones.
I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you're waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and now scrambled up. Pancakes breaking OJ on the side. Got your bag with extra clothes, your toothbrush and a Louis told love notes for when you on the road.
I am not locked in today. Why? Rod, why aren't you locked in? Who is distracting you?
And let you know just how you make me proud. Good times make up for the bad.
Alright guys, the market is trending downwards. Let's see if it's going to really give us some serious pullback. Oh, we have to wait for a continuation.
That it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. More than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You really him. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do a little thing, and I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You really him. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm down to do a little things. I'm down to do the little things.
Okay guys, let us add more buys. You can see we are in a pullback entry. Oh my god, I don't want to see any kind of closing. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Let's move again.
I ain't worried about nothing. I am wearing it now.
I'm seeing pretty.
I know you can. Put in them hours. I'ma make it harder.
Stability.
Sending pick up the picture. I'ma get you fired.
Good to see ya.
You're always on that night shift, but I can't stand these nights alone. And I don't need no
Explanation.
'cause baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work, but you gotta go to work. You don't gotta go to work. Let my body do the work. We can work tomorrow. We can work tomorrow.
Let's see how our buys close. You guys sometimes will ask me crazy. Someone is asking, hope you have not married. What do you mean? What do you mean? I mean, guys, I thought we are all locked in for life. It is either the markets or the markets.
And I don't need no explanation, 'cause baby, you're the boss at home. You don't gotta go to work.
You've been making losses. Oh my god, sorry about that. Do you have a strategy? Actually, guys, whenever you're making losses, you first have to ask yourself what really happened in the charts that led you to make losses. Sometimes you could find maybe you saw a move, then you hesitated to take it. Then when you saw a candle going in the direction as you had anticipated, then you execute the entry, but now it is too late, so that so the market goes against you. You are right, you just only hesitated and you took the entry at the wrong time. Timing is also key in trading, so when you see a move and you're really anticipating the market to go in that direction, execute and see what happened. So whenever you're trading and you're really taking the losses, you have to also assess your entries, you assess what happened exactly so that you don't make those same mistakes over and over again. Personally, that's how I really that mentality helped me when I was still starting out to trade. You have to assess every movement that you're making in the market, especially those that are you've got emotionally attached to them. It's not like all the entries you're going to take in the market, guys, you're going to be attached to them, but there are those that you feel like you get attached to them. It's not only losses, even you can get attached to a particular win. So such moments are the ones where you're supposed to assess yourself and see what exactly happened and how best you can improve your trading. Guys, we're really moving smoothly and be free to ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple, not complicating things, just pure price action. Damn. Then sellers have pushed the market down. Rocky, my day has been beautiful. And yours? Guys, allow me to move.
If they want the drama, got the ooze. Ship the whole crew to the cruise ship. Doing shit you don't even see him move. Round, boss. I got a hard head for her ass on. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, told her prank on it.
You are unforgettable. Oh, someone was asking about the indicator. Whenever I'm trading with the indicator, guys, I always look out for breakouts either to the top side or to the downside. Like I tell you always, my entries are not only based on the indicator, I back it up with pure price action. So if I get a breakout to the downside, I'm going to anticipate sellers in the market. But with that knowledge, I can add on looking from market structure if it has shifted bearish or candlestick patterns that are showing that bears are coming in with some strength. Then I can start considering taking, selling entries. Same with if we get a breakout to the top side, I start anticipating buyers in the market. Then with my pure price action knowledge, I'm going to either see if the market structure has shifted bullish. That is like getting more confirmation, guys, so that whenever you start executing, you have a certain level that you know that you're doing the right thing. And even if the market goes against you, you're gonna be free because you know you did the right thing. But the market is always unique. Sometimes when everything aligns with your strategy, the market is the market. It may go against you. It's very normal in trading. It happens a lot.
She don't love him no more. What's your mind in your mind? Don't mind nobody, so you don't ever hurt nobody. Baby, go work your body. Work your body. You are beautiful. Need to get you alone. Now you want you. Just pop one in the booth.
The love is one-sided because You know it, you know it, you know it. But anyways, much love. Everyone that is showing me love is also love. And this is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, that's how we've been moving every night. We are learning and catching up. Good vibes. Amore is here 8 p.m. UK time every night. So all you have to do is to lock in. I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Young blood thinks there's always tomorrow. What's the best time for him to trade? Oh my god. You're supposed to pick the time frame that is really suitable for you. Yeah, you're not supposed to go by the books because you saw someone trading a 5-minute chart. Then you should also stick to that. You're supposed to pick a time frame that you can really consistently trade yourself. Basically, that's what I can tell you. And you're going to identify those things when you're consistently in the market. You're going to see that, you know what, I think I'm more comfortable being on this time frame than this time frame. So I'm going to stick to this. I'll settle for the cost of you. I miss you more than life. Alright, someone is asking, explain the strategy. Okay. Guys, price action entails looking at first understanding the market condition you're dealing with. That is understanding, are you in an uptrend? Are you in a downtrend? Are you in a sideways market? It's going to be easier for you to execute. Then the other thing I look out for is market structure. Market structure shows you the turning points in the market. So it's always best to know the most recent highs and lows in the market because that's where the market is most likely going to head. So you have to know because either the market is heading to take out the high or it's pulling back, then you need to go back and take out the high. So you should have that mindset of knowing the most recent market structure. And I also back it up with candlestick pattern. The kind of smile that makes the news. Can't nobody throw shade on your name in these streets. Martin Hernandez, what's up? What's up? Good to have you. You gotta mean touch, you can't refuse. No, I can't refuse it. You're too perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up at your own bread. Guys, for all those that want to know my strategy in details, I have videos on this channel. You can check them out, and more are going to be dropped soon. All you have to do is to subscribe and you wait for them so that you don't miss any. Oh my god, guys. And on this, More is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Make sure you mark your attendance early. You're free to ask any trading question while you join the trading assembly. And as you also catch up with fellow traders.
Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. No cap, no pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% attention, we need commitment. It's funny, we both listen.
It's a blessing. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter.
Just make them drop dead, you a killer.
Shower you with all my attention.
Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking.
I am using Keltina channel, not Bolinga Band, and I'm using it with its default settings.
Don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. That's all I plan to do.
This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question because why not? So feel free. The strategy I'm using, it is pure price action.
Get a band over with bands, get a little bro them a job. You can come get rich with us, you gon' eat or you gon' starve. Keep it certified, hit a sin, I tell them not to rob. Pop out 2020 color.
Please, I want to learn the strategy just in the right place.
Pop out bulletproof the car. All the men was making bands, I pack live like they cracking cars. Turn on for a fact,
And I have details, videos talking about my strategy on this channel, guys. You can check them out.
I can save it more than I be spending, that's what I be on. I'm a human, I'm not perfect, I know sometimes I be wrong. I need some of this. No, don't give him no more. You're not gonna be able to. I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever from me.
Guys, the settings for the indicator are default. Alright, guys, who is ready for the donations? Who is ready for the donations? And you know how we do it. Let us first secure our profits for tonight. Let us first secure our profits. Then we get into the donations. Oh. Guys, what am I going to do with your love? I'm going to collect it, put it into a bottle, and place it next on my bed. Put it on my bedside table, and anytime I feel lonely, I'll open and I pick one. That's what I'm going to do with all your love, guys. It's a lot, and I love you too, guys. So who is ready? Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready for the donations, because that's what we are about to do. And guys, wish good luck to all the participants for tonight. Wish luck to all the participants for tonight. Yeah, if you want to take part in the donations, there's a link down in the description. You can use that. Ibrahim, Famous, I see you all, guys. Worthy, Digest, what's up? Mind Control Chronicle, what's up? Chico, good to see ya. June, good to see ya. Roofs, oh my god. All right, guys, let us move. Let us get the first attempt and see how it goes. Oh my god, damn. My first attempt has locked in an L, but you know how we do it. I refund if I take an L on the first attempt, so let us do that and get to it. Oh, you belong to me. I got the recipe. Wow, we already having movement in our direction. So let's see how it closes. Oh my god, this has really moved so fast. I love executing such entries, guys, and by now you know that. I love executing entries and they immediately go in my direction. Guys. Someone type congratulations to our first participant, Sarah Looney. Yeah, guys, type congratulations to her. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant right away, because why not? I got the recipe, it's all about magic. Oh, you will. Okay, we move on to our next.
And I believe in fast life, but I see it in slow. Oh no, and you see my lifestyle, I got G's in the dope. See many people there outside where they feed man's oboe. Oh no, and me I stand the defender like Joseph Yobo.
I gotta say you want Netflix and chill.
So I chatty get even money. If you fall in love, Kelly satin. You go to breakfast, I'm not capping. Can you see dripple, I'm not catching. I'm not faking this, not fugazi. You see these feelings, I'm not catching. I'm a quest and feet, I just want it.
Fitness. Traders in the building told me, when did you lose your heart? You know when we're just starting out to trade, guys? Yeah, I would be there with my friend and they would joke around about that you can't be a trader and at the same time have a heart, because the moment you get into the real markets, you're going to lose your heart and replace it with a stone. It gotta get hard. So tell me, traders, you feel the same way? Do you still have your hearts?
If we had money past you, if you're not careful, finesse, you send me a must.
Okay, let us look for.
If you're not careful, if I broke my business.
Alright, I'm seeing you guys, you're agreeing. So you all lost your hearts. Now tell me, why do you tell me? So Why would you say that every time you look at your charts to get crazy? As a trader, you're supposed to have a probabilistic mindset that anything can happen. And when you switch to such a mindset, that's when that mindset is going to help you control your emotions and not overreact, and you start thinking as a trader. So basically, that's it. That's what you should have. Probabilistic mindset.
Stephen Marley, let him know
You
what
forget
time it
about
is.
your emotions, then you start thinking like a trader. Because anything can happen when it comes to trading. So let us look for our second attempt.
She said dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away because I think I might love you. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell of the money, but I know what this could be. Tearing out my history for you. I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love? I got options. You the top one. So baby, if it ain't a problem, can I get some of your love? Been around the game.
That was really crazy there, but it's locked in our direction. So let me see you type congratulations to Vivia. Yeah, type congratulations.
I've seen them sell their souls. You a number one draft pick. Baby, let's dig and roll. I always keep you up on a pedestal. Misery loves company. Baby, don't sweat these I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them
Let me see you guys type more congratulations to Vivia.
But I know what this could be. Tearing out my history for you.
Option. Hey. Can I get someone to love?
They looking for the perfect man. They looking for the perfect life. They take some perfect pics. They want some perfect dick, but ain't nothing perfect. Girl, no such thing as a perfect world. These broads try hard to be who they not and not who they are. Baby, you sweating what? Baby, you sweating who? You talking about such and such?
Let us look for another move. We are next to we are on to Talia. So let's move.
I'll tell you one more time. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away because I think I might love you. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell of the money, but I know what this could be. Tearing out my history for you. I got options.
Oh my God. Godwin, that's true. That's so true. Guys, me, I got the heart of trading in 2022. And I was ready for whatever that is coming out because, like I told you, the day I discovered trading, I knew it's the day of sanitized poverty, so I had to make it work at all costs. It was either trading or trading. Yeah, but there are those crazy moments you think about and you're like, damn. The names, guys, you're seeing on the screen, it is the names. They are names of participants. So if you want to be part of them, there's a donation link in the description. You can use that. I have to remind you guys, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. All the details are on the donation page. You can use the link down in the description. And you can also write to me via Telegram in case you need more help. and I'll get to you. There's a link in the description for my Telegram also.
Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing.
Now they always say congratulations.
To vacation, they ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly. Yeah, now I'm jumping at the band. Yeah, and I know I sound dramatic. Yeah, but I know I had to have it. Yeah, for the money I'm a savage. Yeah, I'm used to like I had it. Yeah, I'm surrounded 20 babies. Yeah, but they didn't love me last year. Yeah, everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my door. Yeah, everyone counting on me, drop the ball. Yeah. Everything custom like
My card was a 5 seconds and my expiration time is 5 seconds. 15 seconds, sorry. Let us look for another entry. From Mama call, see you on TV.
Sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young,
They said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations.
To vacation, they ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say we changed and look, we made it. We made it. I was patient, yeah. Oh, I was patient. Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations.
Young and graduation.
I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old being Franklin. Big rings, champagne. My life is
You're
like
also in love
but instead I'm in a trap though. Also big color,
with the...
Super Bowl, color, hoes.
Wow, guys, you already have a movement in our direction. Let's see how it goes.
Malone, I got a play on my phone. You know what I'm on.
Let me see you type congratulations. Oh my god, this really moves so fast. Let me see you type congratulations to Talia. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations to vacation. Yeah, we made it. Yeah, that's how we do it. Everything goes to the participants' account. So let's go into the next.
Baby, when we first met, I never felt something.
All those that are asking how does this work, we are doing donations, and donations are basically for people who want me to trade for them. So if you want to be part of them, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description, and all details are on the donation page. And guys, donations are not financial investments. They are purely for trading and learning purposes. Yeah, so let me hope I've answered you, Jermaine Golding. And I also saw someone else asking about that. So let me hope guys you've got that. We are on to our next. Oh my god, guys, look at this. Damn. Oh my god, damn. There was some crazy candle that took us out. Let us refund and try again, guys. When I take an L on the first attempt, I refund and try again. So let us do that. Ricky, no, I am not. Guys, all details about the donations, they're on the donation page. You can use that donation link down for more details, or you can write to me via Telegram and I'll guide you. Rehab. So guys, we have refunded. Let us try again now. Cigarettes no more. I guess that's what I get for wishful thinking. I should've never let you enter my door. Next time you wanna go on a leave, I should just let you go on. Wow, we already have a movement in our direction now. So let us do for a second attempt, because why not? This has really moved fast. Buyers have really respected all our entries. So let me see, type congratulations to Cielo. Yeah, 2 attempts locked in, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. What's the name?
Yeah, I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio.
Let's move on to our next.
But I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name. Wear it out. It's getting hot, crack the window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say.
My strategy is simple, guys. It is pure price action. What's your favorite strategy? It is price action, I would say, because it's a strategy at the end of the day I locked in with. Because at first my strategies used to be so damn complicated, guys. Okay, not extremely complicated, but they were like tedious for my mind. But with price action, my mind can easily process things, and that's what it should be for you whenever you're trading. So that if your mind can easily process things, that means it is going to be exciting and interesting to really participate in the market. You're not going to think of trading as some hard work to do, but you're going to be looking forward to look for the entries because things are simple. So the key is to keep it simple and roll. Surrender to everyone who is where every door you enter, I will let you in. Hey boy, I really wanna see if you can. Guys, we're just looking for 2 items, just 2 items. That's why you take me way past the point of turning me on. You about to break me. I swear you got me losing my mind. Oh na na, what's the name? 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 What's the name? What's the name? Hey boy, I really wanna Patience space, so let us wait for a good entry. Yeah, the minimum for donations is 400 USD. The people are down, the people you are. Bonjour, bonjour, how are you, my dear? Comment ça va? Guys, my friend is very active right now. Oh my god, Patience is paying off. Where are buyers coming from at this rate? Damn, oh my god. That was really moving smoothly. Let us refund and try again. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be alright, guys, let us get another mover. When you walk before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Yeah, that's the momentum I was looking forward to. Nice. So we look for a second attempt. I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby. It's me, I say, why. You see me do my da. So me better, why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my ta.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done at work. Come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it.
Oh, this is really playing on my entry.
I don't rushing to it.
Damn, bias, get away. Oh my god.
To get done,
Damn.
done if you come on.
That's really played your
Sorry, I'm
ass.
way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling.
Let us
How
move
many
on to
more
our
shots
next.
until you're rolling? We just need a face to face.
Sorry about that dark
Time
one.
and a place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
It's me at the work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me better work, 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 work. When you are la 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 la. When the cat from my
Yeah, let's keep moving. Let's keep moving on to our next. Mm. This is a trading assembly, guys. You're free to ask any trading question. And let me see you comment locked in so that when I'm explaining and move on the chat, you can easily catch on because that's how it should be. We are here to learn. So lock in, lock in. Yeah, let me see you comment locked in as we are moving. I want to see the traders that are locked in.
She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with first. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Some little dreaming, riding in the bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool with your friends. Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights, I out past 10. House party 10, turn up with your mans. Arguments all day with your brands. Just to go out, gotta fight for this shit. Gotta realize.
You guys are locked in for life, and that's how we are gonna be moving. So let's look from move.
But you don't trust niggas, no. Yeah.
But they still trust you. They still fuck with you.
Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that how you lose. Take that how you lose. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. Every lost girl I know is over 26. Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You give your body to me, I body that like a savage. Give and take, you give it to them, they take the shit for granted, yeah. Different than it was before. People around you wanting more.
Shitan, what's up? What's up? Good to see you.
What they in it for. Take it last relationship. Look how good you treated him. You could work like 4 of him. Girl, you never needed him. But they still need you. They still fuck with you. Anything you do.
Wow, we're already having movement in our direction now. Just looking for a second attempt and we move. Leven, that's really crazy. Let us look for another move. You're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. No need to pretend. No need to pretend. Drama is for you. Take that how you lose. Drama is for you. Take that how you lose. Take that how you lose.
Guys, get ready to type congratulations. Yeah, locked in. So type congratulations to Zebina. Yeah, type congratulations to our participant. Locked in, locked in, locked in. Let me see more congratulations, guys. Pour much love to our participants.
Baby, hop in my ride. Who's hot as hell outside? Put the top down, doors closed.
Much love from India. All right, thank you. Love you too. Love you too.
When you give me that thunder, you make my summer rain. Every day, and it won't stop. It won't stop. When everything was lonely, for you was constantly forever and ever on the beat, and it won't stop.
If you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Yeah, you'll be able to be part. The minimum for donation, guys, is 400 USD. Yeah.
And you sound like
Hey.
looking up in space. It's just me and my babe, and we feel so amazing. Oh, all night. Oh. Every little thing you do, make me feel some type of way. Yeah. When you give me that thunder, you make my summer rain. Every day, and it won't stop. It won't stop. With every single part of me, I love you is constantly forever and ever on the beat, and it won't stop.
Right, guys, let us look for our second attempt. I am trading with price action strategy, and with price action, we are basically first understanding the market conditions. We understand market structure. Yeah, and your entries can be based on candlestick patterns. Yeah, and whenever you're looking at candlestick patterns, you have to also consider candle closures. They are really important. They can show you strengths from either buyers and sellers depending on how candles have closed. So you have to also put that in consideration if you're looking at price action as your strategy.
And it won't stop. Boom, boom. And it won't stop. Boom, 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 boom. Ooh, yeah.
I was really playing on our entry, guys. Dang, it has worked out for us. Let me see type congratulations to Becky. Guys, type congratulations. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant because why not? When I'm missing you, with nothing but your t-shirt on. Gotta be strong, but I'm really hurting now that you're gone. Thought maybe I'd do shopping, but I couldn't get past the door. YouTube mentorship is here, guys. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn, so you're free to ask any trading question. And on this particular channel, I have videos about my strategy, trading experience, and more are coming up. All you have to do is to log in. Yeah, you subscribe so that you don't miss out on any video when it is dropped. And there are more is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, so you can always join and we learn, and as you also catching up with fellow traders, because why not? Yeah, guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join and join a community of traders from all over. We are global. Yeah. Yeah, guys, that's a bit about trading. You're not limited by location. Yeah, trading gives you financial freedom, location freedom, stress freedom, supervisor freedom, superior freedom. You literally yourself. It is you against the charts. That's it. But your t-shirt on. You got me sipping on something I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I'll survive. Oh my god, first attempt is taken out. Let us refund and try again. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive. Let's get going and you know here. Guys, let us refund and try again. That's what we do when we take an L on the first attempt. But I don't care. The heart wants what it wants. You got me scattered in pieces, shining like stars and screaming, lighting me up like Venus. But then you disappear everywhere, and every second's like torture. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's some crazy move there. The place getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. Let us look for another move. You might be right, but I don't care. All right, we are moving. These sellers are really doing onto something. Nora from Bali, good to see ya, darling. Good to see ya. Guys, you're free to ask any trading question. Amazing, I am to give you up. Yeah, guys, let us continue with this bearish momentum. You can see, okay, took out the most recent low. That was a sign that the market is most likely to shift bearish. So let's wait and see. I mean, with trading, your mindset has to be open. You just look at structure, and market movement, and you start making your entries based on that. Shouldn't be making your entries based on the past price history. Yeah, whenever you're on your execution time frame, make sure you're looking at the most recent highs and lows. Because they're gonna be guiding you on the entries to make. And it's still going down, guys. Look at this. Do you teach? I'm always here sharing my strategy. All you have to do is to mark your attendance early, 8 p.m. UK time every night. We are here. And on this particular channel, there are also videos about it. All you have to do is to watch and subscribe for more that are coming up. I love to get on, I love to get to on. Let's roll.
Pull your panties down from under you. Beat that pussy out, make you wanna holla cute. walk in the bitch high on that Mary Jane. Pussy in my mouth, pussy in my pinky brain. Nasty, maybe do it in the back. But it's marijuana, keep it cracked.
Guys, I am trading binary options, and let me see you type congratulations to Leo Mayer. Let me see you type congratulations to Leo. This is binary options trading, and we are on gold OTC chart. All my enemies are seeing me living life. And if you're all with me, you'll be winning now. I like to get on. On to our final participant for tonight.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know. Inhales is all we know.
This market is going to the moon. Someone comment moon, because that's where we are going. A very uninterrupted market. It's like sellers want to kick in now.
That's bullshit. I just hit a 3P. Fuck 3 hoes I met this week. I don't do no old hoes. My nigga, that's enough, no. She just want the gutter. I just want the narrow. Who that at the front door? It's the feds, oh no, no, no. Don't you open up that window.
This is really playing. Damn, oh my god. Overplayed on our entry, truthfully. Let us refund and try again, guys. Let us refund and try again and see how it goes.
It's low key at the night show.
Okay, guys, let's try again now.
Anything happen at the night show. At the night show. Ooh, your bitch not at home, she at the night show. Ooh, fucking right, ho. Ooh, had to catch a flight.
Oh my god. Alright, that was also playing on our entry. But finally, buyers are getting back their market control. Let us look at our second attempt and final attempt to our participant. Yeah, and the mover.
You know you gotta go get it, my nigga. They hating, they sticking, they waiting. Don't be mistaken, we dying, they stand. Lord, I'm on fire, they thinking I'm saving. ladies calling me crazy on different occasions. Kicking the camera.
Alright, guys, let me see. Type congratulations to Athens. Yeah, type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. And next time better for all the participants who I didn't go well. Next time better. Guys, let me see. Type congratulations to every participant for tonight. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link down in the description. You can use it. There is also a link down in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join, guys, at Community of Traders. If you want to write to me via Telegram, there's a link in the description. Guys, we catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Mark your attendance. It's a new week, so let's be consistent. Bye.